Find or read reviews that people are talking about AIGAMEPC Gaming PC Desktop Computer. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. This AIGAMEPC Gaming Desktop is equipped with Intel Core i7-4790 processor and GTX 1660 Super 6GB graphics card. Paired with 16GB DDR3 memory and 512GB M.2 SSD, delivering powerful and smooth performance to easily handle various scenarios such as gaming, live streaming, video editing and business office. Equipped with ABX3, 550 watts 80 plus Bronze PSU, Intel ATX 3.1 compliant, its 80 plus Bronze efficiency saves energy, while the DC-to-DC design and 105 degrees Celsius or 221 degrees Fahrenheit main capacitor ensure stable, durable operation. It is built with 5 RGB fans and Wi-Fi 5 module, balancing appearance and practicality. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Home System, and the white body is suitable for various usage environments. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.